Hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, deep dish pizza. Oh, it's been a long time since I had this. Saw this at the grocery store today from Gino's East from Chicago, and you can't get better deep dish pizza than comes from Chicago. So it says 375 for 40 to 50 minutes, and we're gonna try this in the Cosori toaster roaster oven. It's also an air fryer, and see how it turns out. Let's take a look at the Cosori, shall we? All right, so there it is, folks. If you're looking for a toaster oven that's also an air fryer that also has a rotisserie in it, I tell you what, this thing has been it's really turned into one of my favorite kitchen appliances because it really can do everything. And right now we got the 375. You can see it's in the preheat mode. That's what the blinking means. It'll beep and tell me when it's out of there, and then we'll just stop. We'll put our pizza in. There really isn't a whole lot from there. So give you a look, see once it goes in. All right, folks. There's the deep dish in there. It looked a lot bigger on the box. I did make a little bit of a game time change here. The bake rack, and I'm cooking this on the bake feature, 375, and I got it set at 45 minutes. But the bake rack is low. What I wanted to do, since I don't have a pan on this and I don't want to burn that crust, is that I moved it up into the middle slot, and that should help it cook, in my opinion, a little bit more evenly. So we'll give you a couple look-sees as we go along. All right, folks, a little bit more than 15 minutes left to go, and it's cooking. That's all I can say. Looking pretty nice. Give you one or two more look-sees. All right, folks, less than 5 minutes. I am getting hungry, so give you a look-see once it's plated up. All right, folks, there it is. I'll tell you what. Still steaming. I don't know if I'm going to take a taste test yet, but there's our deep dish pizza. Gino's East. Take a little taste test here. I know everybody always says. Okay. Pretty awesome. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Folks, please subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.